Maitrayaniya Aranyak. Delving into the enigmatic depths of spiritual contemplation and ritual harmony in the Krishna Yajur Veda. The Maitrayaniya Aranyak, a significant segment of the Krishna Yajur Veda, invites seekers to explore the profound realms of meditation, rituals, and spiritual insights. This article delves into the intricacies of the Maitrayaniya Aranyak, examining its composition, meditative practices, philosophical nuances, and its timeless relevance as a guide to aligning the inner and outer dimensions of human existence. Brief overview. Enshrined within the Krishna Yajur Veda, the Maitrayaniya Aranyak beckons individuals to journey into the sacred wilderness of self-discovery and cosmic understanding. This compilation of texts, rituals, and contemplations serves as a bridge between the palpable world of rituals and the intangible world of spiritual introspection. Composition and structure. The Maitrayaniya Aranyak comprises 7 books, each referred to as Prabhaka. These sections present a carefully woven tapestry of meditative practices, philosophical dialogues, and ritualistic guidance. The structure provides a comprehensive view of the holistic relationship between spiritual exploration and ritual observance. Meditative practices. At the heart of the Maitrayaniya Aranyak are meditative practices that facilitate a deeper connection with the divine and the self. These practices involve the repetition of sacred syllables, mantras, and visualization techniques that allow practitioners to journey beyond the material realm and tap into the universal consciousness. Philosophical reflections. Beyond the realm of rituals and meditations, the Maitrayaniya Aranyak engages in philosophical inquiry. It contemplates the nature of existence, the interplay of the self and the cosmos, and the path to self-realization. These reflections guide seekers towards understanding the profound connections between the microcosm and the macrocosm. Harmony of inner and outer worlds. The Aranyak emphasizes the harmony between the inner spiritual journey and external rituals. It recognizes that both are integral aspects of human existence and encourages individuals to align their actions with higher cosmic principles, fostering a balanced approach to life. Contemporary relevance. In today's world, where the pace of life often disconnects individuals from their spiritual selves, the Maitrayaniya Aranyak's teachings remain relevant. Its emphasis on meditative practices, philosophical contemplation, and harmonizing inner and outer dimensions offers solace to those seeking to reconnect with their spiritual essence. Conclusion. The Maitrayaniya Aranyak stands as a testament to the synthesis of meditation, rituals, and spiritual inquiry within the Krishna Yajur Veda. By immersing ourselves in its verses, meditations, and reflections, we embark on a transformative journey. The Aranyak beckons us to traverse the threshold between the tangible and the metaphysical, guiding us to uncover the mysteries of the self and the cosmos while maintaining a delicate balance between our worldly actions and spiritual aspirations.